Excited?
Yeah.
But you got a halo when it's nights like this. I really want.
Beautiful, the lovely, the Poly Princess, Dinah Jane. This hat though, can you turn that hat forward? Oh! The wig.
See, I would take it off, but I'm having a bad hair day, so.
Okay. So this is the time where we sit down.
Is there any way we can turn these mics up? I feel like it's so distant. Is it? Is it not loud?
Y'all can hear it, right?
You can hear me. Oh, okay, that's fine. Sorry.
So first off, Miss Dinah Jane.
It smells so good.
It does. How we feeling today?
Hungry.
You feeling hungry? All right, we got some meat out there for you.
Honestly, it's been a really good day. I've had a really early morning. The Tonga National Anthem was honestly a dream, just to be amongst your own, your own people, and it was like a stadium full of them. So I've never experienced that in my life, and I never thought I'd be in that position where I can represent my country. And not only my country, but my family and like my grandparents, this is home to them. And just that whole stadium was I try to picture myself like I'm by myself, but the moment I started singing, they were singing with me, and it was just this kind of energy where we were moving together. And I made sure that the record, they told me like, oh, do you want a track behind you? And I said, no, I just want a cappella. And I sang a cappella, and I knew that the crowd would follow with me, and we would lead it together.
I know you were like a Tongan Whitney Houston out there. You were just like, you're doing your thing, and make some noise for Dinah Jane, y'all. Now that everybody knows, obviously you're Tongan. What's your favorite Tongan dish, or like your?
I don't know if it was good, but I just felt it like literally swimming around, and I was like, ooh, did I feel something? That was weird.
Hi, my name's Tiara.
Oh, huh?
My name's Tiara.
Hi, Tiara.
What's on your bucket list?
What's on my bucket list? I have a few things. I want to win a Grammy, and I want to be in a movie. I want to skydive, and I also want to walk the China Wall, Wall of China. So, yeah, those are a couple.
Watch out now. Have your phones ready.
Are there any poly artists that you would like to work with besides, you mentioned Aradna earlier? So what poly artists would you work with?
I would love to work with Adiz or J-Boog. I love me some J-Boog. Always been a huge fan. Oh, Fuji's like a legend in the Polynesian community. And so, like, that's a no-brainer if he wants to do one with me. I've always wanted to work with him since the age of 13 when I first started. And I remember going to the studios with like a whole community of Polynesians, and I was always trying to reach out to him. So I feel like this would be kind of like the perfect opportunity to probably even do a thing with a lot of Polynesians. So Aradna's always been my number one. Yeah. And then it would probably be Adiz and J-Boog. So.
Have you heard of Finn Groove?
Who?
Finn Groove?
Come this way.